Today we're going to be showing the installation of BluSoak fittings onto the new RootSoak tape. The same fittings will work just fine with this tape, but a few small steps need to be taken to ensure a tight fitting seal. We're going to spread the tape out. We're going to slide it without doing any folding over the barb until it's all the way pressed up against the screw lock portion of this, the swivel lock. Figure out the direction it's going to turn in. So this is turning this way to the right. So we're going to tighten it to the right so that as this continues to screw forward, it tightens the tape, as opposed to if the tape is in the opposite direction, it will be fighting against it. This way it just gets tighter and tighter the more you screw it down. So we'll take it, move it all the way up, grab it with 2 fingers to hold it in place, take the tab and just tightly fold it over and then hold it. And you can see that it's worked because the lip of the barb portion of this fitting, you can see that it's poking through now because it's very tightly held against it. And another way that you can see that it works is that it should just slide right in. See now that it's just slid right in, we tighten while holding it, and it's good. We can tell that these fittings have been installed correctly and the ridge has been bent in the correct directions because they will be opposing each other. One will be twisted this way and one will be twisted this other way.